In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master diagram frame with a nested subdiagram in Chrome. To begin, open Chrome and load the diagram you want to work on. The first goal is to create your main container, which will act as the master diagram frame. This outer frame should hold the big picture structure of your diagram, so take a moment to think of it as the main workspace where everything else will live. Once you're ready, create the master frame and position it clearly on the canvas. Make sure it's large enough to comfortably contain the content you plan to place inside it, including the smaller diagram you'll add in a moment. Giving yourself enough space now makes the rest of the process much easier and keeps the layout clean. Next, create a secondary subdiagram inside a separate small frame. This smaller frame should be treated like its own self-contained diagram area. In other words, instead of placing those elements directly into the main frame right away, you're first building a distinct section that can later be nested inside the master frame. Keep the size of this smaller frame compact but readable, and make sure its contents are organized clearly. This is especially helpful when you want to show detail without cluttering the main diagram. Once the subdiagram frame is ready, drag that smaller frame into the master diagram frame. As you do this, place it carefully so it sits neatly inside the larger frame without overlapping important content. The idea here is to create a visual hierarchy. The master frame represents the top level, while the smaller frame functions as a focused inner section. If needed, adjust the placement so the relationship between the two frames feels intentional and easy to understand at a glance. A tidy arrangement will make your finished diagram much more effective for anyone viewing it. Finally, link the master node to the inner frame using a connection line. This connection is what visually communicates that the main element in the master diagram is associated with or leads into the more detailed content inside the nested frame. Draw the line carefully so it clearly connects the master node to the inner frame without creating confusion. If your canvas starts to feel crowded, you can always fine-tune the position of the frames to improve readability before finishing. By the end of this process, you'll have a clear master diagram, a nested subdiagram inside it, and a connection line that ties everything together in a logical, easy to follow way.